Empower Yourself, a step-by-step guide to healing. Hello and welcome to this video about the journey to healing. If you're struggling with hurt, pain, or trauma, know that you are not alone. Many of us have experienced difficult times and have had to find our way to healing. It's not an easy journey, but it is a journey that is worth taking. The first step in the journey to healing is to acknowledge your pain. This may involve acknowledging the things that have happened to you, the ways in which you have been hurt, and the emotions that you are feeling. It's important to allow yourself to feel your pain and to give yourself permission to process it. This may involve talking to a trusted friend or family member, seeking support from a mental health professional, or writing in a journal. Another important step in the journey to healing is to forgive. Forgiveness is not about condoning the actions of others, but rather it is about letting go of anger, resentment, and the desire for revenge. It's about releasing the hold that these emotions have on you and moving forward. Forgiveness can be difficult, but it is an essential part of healing. It's important to remember that forgiveness is not always easy, and it may take time, but it is a journey that is worth taking. In addition to acknowledging your pain and practicing forgiveness, it's also important to focus on self-care. This may involve taking care of your physical needs, such as getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising. It may also involve taking care of your emotional needs, such as finding healthy ways to express your emotions, setting boundaries, and finding activities that bring you joy. Finally, it's important to find meaning and purpose in your journey to healing. This may involve setting goals for the future, finding ways to help others, or pursuing your passions and interests. Remember that your journey to healing is unique, and it is up to you to find what brings you meaning and purpose. We hope this message has been an encouragement to you. Remember that you are not alone and that there is hope for healing. Take one step at a time and know that you are strong enough to handle the journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. We appreciate your support and would love to have you as a part of our community. Thank you, and God bless.